excellent choice of engine test equipment. We are CARDIV Company Limited, specialized in manufacturing accurate and convenient engine test equipment. We are providing total package solution related to diesel engine, ranging from the development and manufacturing of common rail test equipment, sales of CARDI consumables parts, sales of special car tools, consulting of diesel engine car shop opening, and education support. In addition, recently we are selling our product to China as well as Vietnam, Australia, Russia, and South America through continuous export, promoting our brand through marketing, R&D by participating in various exhibitions at home and overseas, acquiring patent and certification. Followings are the introduction of our common rail test equipment. Dedicated to export, V310 is a common rail injector test equipment in which the function to test piezo injector is mounted. V510 is a common rail injector test equipment with convenient use by applying touchscreen, which can test the injector of new car and imported cars recently produced. Composed of injector test part and high pressure pump test part, V710 is a common rail general tester that can provide simultaneous operation of injector and high pressure pump through each independent power supply. V800 is an equipment that can test an injector accurately at the same time through dual flow measurement system of flow sensor and breaker. Composed of 2 units of body and controller, V810 is a common rail injector test equipment that can test 4 flows at the same time through dual system where the sensor and beaker are combined. V830 is a general test equipment that measures small, big vehicle injector, high pressure pump, and rail through dual system where the sensor and breaker are combined. V600 is a test machine dedicated to CARDI high pressure pump for commercial vehicle in which the high pressure pump test of small car under 5 ton is available. Dedicated to export, V600S is a test machine in which the high pressure pump test for small and big commercial vehicles is available. V610 is a CARDI high pressure pump for commercial vehicle in which the low pressure pump test of big commercial vehicle, Iveco, and Cummins is available. Based on the management philosophy of customer-oriented, technology development, and value creation, CARDIV Company Limited is opening the future with creative technology and quality as a professional brand of car engine test equipment with world-class quality and performance. We always appreciate customers for today's status of CARDIV boosted by the love and support of customers. We will try our best for the success of customer through continued new product development and quality management. We will continue to be a trusted CARDIV Company Limited as a partner that grows and develops with our customers. Thank you.